विजय मौर्य has done an incredible job. हर इंसान की जर्नी अलग होती है, तो उसी तरह से अगर इंसान बॉक्सर भी है तो उसकी भी जर्नी थोड़ी अलग ही होगी. With a film like Bhag Milkha Bhag, of course, I had to draw a lot of inspiration from Milkha ji himself. Believe that I've tried my best with every film that I've done to grow as an actor. An extremely powerful and well written and well created narrative and screenplay by Anjum Rajabali. It's not about just going in there to like kind of fight for just a belt. There's so much more.
वेलकम फरहान बॉलीवुड ड्रामा.
Hi, thank you Faridun. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you? आप बैंकॉक में हैं क्या?
नहीं यार, मैं मुंबई में हूँ.
Apparently you're shooting for a Marvel project in Bangkok. That's what.
ऐसे सुना आपने?
ऐसा सुना. Okay, so फरहान मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था कि that एक प्रोबेबल जो सवाल होता है कि और बॉक्सिंग फिल्म से तूफान डिफरेंट किस तरीके से है, तो आप क्या?
यही कहूंगा कि मतलब हर इंसान की जर्नी अलग होती है, तो उसी तरह से अगर इंसान बॉक्सर भी है तो उसकी भी जर्नी थोड़ी अलग ही होगी, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट तो वही है. स्पोर्ट में जो गिराव है और उठाव है वो भी वही है, लेकिन जो इंसान है उस बॉक्सर के जो ग्लव्स पहना हुआ है उसकी क्या कहानी है लाइफ में, वो क्या चाहता है, क्या बनना चाहता है, क्या हासिल करना चाहता है, किन मुसीबतों से गुजर रहा है, क्या इमोशनल जर्नी है उसकी. That's what sets it apart from other films.
All right, so Bhag Milkha Bhag, the other sport film that you've done, it was based on a real life person. It was a biopic.
Yeah.
Now this is not. So how's the difference like when you're making a biopic, when you're part of a biopic, and then you're having like a film that is not having any reference point?
Well, I mean, on that level, it's like doing any other fictional film. You sit down with your writer and with your director and understand and then create the character the way you seem it seems right to you. With a film like Bhag Milkha Bhag, of course, I had to draw a lot of inspiration from Milkha ji himself, to occupy and fill his shoes. So that was the big challenge in that. And the challenge is how do you make this person seem like a real person? Because all you have to go on is your imagination, and your creative instinct.
This month we are having two of your films celebrating their anniversaries. Bhag Milkha Bhag is having its 8th, and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And the same month you're having Tufan that is coming up. So can we say that this is a Farhan Akhtar month?
Well, you can say it. I won't say it. But yeah, I mean, it is interesting. It's I think 11th is Bhag Milkha Bhag. 11th, yes. Right? Yeah. And sorry, when is ZNMD? I'm slightly confused.
I think 15th, maybe. I think.
Oh, is it the 15th? Okay, I guess maybe you must.
It is in July for sure. That is.
Yeah, I know it's in July. I don't know the exact date, but yeah. So it's going to be an interesting week, actually, more than a month.
Right.
If you think about it.
Apparently, Rakesh Mehra, he had offered you an acting assignment in Rang De Basanti, and you thought that maybe he's not really knowing what he's talking about because you were a.
No, he knew what he was talking about. I didn't know that I had what
that's what I'm saying. You correct. So
that's what.
But when you look back at your acting journey,
yeah,
and with the sort of accomplishments that you've done, this is your second film with Rakesh Mehra. How do you look back at your acting journey so far?
Well, I'd like to at least believe that I've tried my best with every film that I've done to grow as an actor. I've tried to challenge myself as much as I possibly could, given things that were available to me, and that's how I'd like to look at it. Beyond that, everything else that comes, be it the success, be it failure, be it praise, be it criticism, that is all to learn from, to kind of filter through, to try and understand how it is that you can somehow, without letting go of your instinct, try to make better choices.
What is the contribution of Vijay Mauria and Hussain Dalal in terms of getting the lingo right for you?
Well, Vijay Mauria has done an incredible job with the dialogue, based on an extremely powerful and well written and well created narrative and screenplay by Anjum Rajabali. So the two of them have put together something that was really, really strong on paper and on the page. And then, of course, working with Hussain and jamming with him on all the scenes where we're really like kind of, it's light and you're keeping it fun, and there's a certain cat's whiskers quality to to these two characters who think they're like, the two absolute cats of their neighborhood. So that aspect was fun. It was a lot. I mean, there was a lot to play off working with him, and also, I mean, he had told me when we first met that, I mean, he's really like grown up in that area, so he has a certain understanding of, of what's considered a cool dude in that place. So I took a lot of tips from him on that.
Okay, and now Paresh Rawal Saab is not playing the what is considered to be like a filmy coach in terms of having those big biceps, and many times it is considered that the coach is also supposed to be this big bulky guy. I think in many ways, coach's job is to motivate mentally more than anything else.
Yeah,
And I think that is what Paresh Saab brings to the table.
yeah. So see, the fact, I mean, he's a tour de force here as an actor to start with. Apart from what he brings to the performance, I also feel that he brings such uh, gravitas and such weight to the film by being a part of it. That in itself is a big thing. And honestly, I mean, like working with him, doing those scenes where when he speaks to you about, I mean, to the character which you'll see, about the understanding, the kind of spiritual side of boxing, or looking beyond than just the physical aspect of wanting to knock somebody out, understanding the sport, understanding the game, how to be emotionally invested in it. What is it that you're fighting for? It's not about just going in there to like kind of fight for just a belt. There's so much more than that every time you go into a ring. And he kind of understood that essence, and he's kind of really like kind of projected it in the film in a very, very unique way. And it made it an absolute pleasure to work with him.